In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of AI to understand and replicate your unique writing style. This exciting feature allows AI to adapt its responses to match your personal voice, making your interactions feel more natural and tailored. Let's dive into the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is navigate to chat.openai.com and log into your account. This will bring you to the home page where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, it's time to prepare a sample of your writing. This could be anything you've written. It might be an email, a blog post, or perhaps even a clever caption. This sample serves as a reference point for the AI to analyze and understand your individual style. Now that you have your writing sample at hand, the next step is to copy and paste it into the chat box. Here's where you set the stage for the AI to work its magic. Type out a message asking the AI to analyze your writing style based on the sample you've provided. You can say something straightforward like, "Analyze my writing style from this sample," then write future responses in the same tone. This clear instruction helps the AI know exactly what you're looking to achieve. Once you've given this instruction, it's important to communicate any specific nuances of your writing that you'd like the AI to replicate. For instance, if you prefer a friendly, casual tone with lots of short, punchy sentences, make sure to specify that. You might say something like, "Make it friendly, casual, and full of short, punchy sentences." These details guide the AI in honing in on the essence of your style. Now, to test whether the AI has grasped your writing voice, try it out with a small request. A good place to start is by asking it to write a 50-word Instagram caption about coffee, for example, utilizing the tone and style you've described. This will give you a practical sense of how well the AI has adapted to your unique voice. Once you receive the AI's response, take a moment to evaluate it. Does it resonate with your personal style? Is it capturing the tone you envisioned? If it needs a little tweaking, don't hesitate to provide feedback. Perhaps you might want it to be more playful. Simply follow up with a message like, "Make it more playful," and watch as the AI further refines its approach to mirror your style even more closely. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to personalize your AI interactions, ensuring they reflect your unique voice every time. Whether it's crafting emails, writing social media posts, or anything else, you're now equipped to make the AI your personal writing assistant. Happy creating, and enjoy the newfound synergy between you and AI.